Coalition of Civil Society don't praise the All Progressive Congress APC for how them take do their party primaries for Abuja Municipal Area Council AMAC. Fashade Adewale, wey be the national leader of the League of APC National Support Groups, yarn this one as he dey address Tori people for Abuja. Adewale giving vote of confidence to the national leadership of APC for all the steps wey them don't take so far about the AMAC party primaries. He hailed the party leaders for the strong support wey dem give Honorable Christopher Zaka Kalango to contest for the upcoming area council election based on wetin the constitution talk. He also talk say the Chemo don do plenty development work since he enter office like roads, agriculture, health, water, youth and women empowerment. Adewale still mention say Kalango get plenty support for grassroots level as people dey like am well for AMAC.
We are in support of all the activities of the national leaders of our party, of our great party, led by His Excellency Abdullahi Ganduje, in respect of the local government, FCT local government elections. The process has been very, very transparent so far. I want to say thank you to the leadership of our great party. We are here as national leaders, the grassroots foot soldiers of our party, to let the world know that we are totally in support of what our leaders are doing, have done so far in respect of the FCT local government chairman election. Now, we have on our hands, this time around, we have the big fish in our midst, who is totally with us now. And we are very happy that all the ward elections that have been done and all till, up to this moment, the man has shown clear leadership. He has won about 87%. Somebody who has done that is not a person to underrate in any way. This man has his structures in the whole of FCT, and all over the FCT, he has done over 40 road construction. In the FCT, over 40 road constructions, and this is a man who has also achieved over 40 water projects within the FCT. Over 40 water projects within the FCT, apart from persons whom we have facilitated their employment into various ministries, departments and agencies at the federal level. He is also working on thousands of unemployed youths to also be gainfully employed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you will agree with me that at this point, nobody is entitled to be the next chairman of AMAC, so that all the good works that he has done will not be wiped out just in a jiffy. That's why we have come as leaders, as foot soldiers of our party, to come and lend our support, our credence, to Honorable Christopher Kalango.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.